All right, today is a good day because of this. Yes, yes, all right, no, but anyways, so yeah, been rocking the stock exhaust again for a little while in the car, which has been nice. I like the quiet, which is why I went with this. And let's do an box opening. The chopper. So they pack it quite well. It's definitely going to take me a minute to get all this out and separated. Off rip, I see a sticker and a keychain. I'm a happy guy. Oh, nice. OEM hanger. Very cool. Bada boom, bada bing. Oh my god, I almost fell. Quick snippet of this. That's the spec, whatever. Your years and etc. I want to say, face to face, thank you, Will Long. He's on Facebook. I'm sure a lot of you guys know him as the Parts Daddy, No Diddy, aka All Diddy. But yeah, thanks, Will. If you need anything like literally car related, I believe truck related too, we have a cool Tacoma as well. I haven't gotten anything yet for the Tacoma from him. We haven't done much to that, like aftermarket wise, which is why I haven't gotten anything, but hit him up. He's the man. Very nice quality. Look at these welds. I really like the logo on here. That's super cool. Instead of just something boring, this thing looks really nice. Hello. Damn, dude. It is so nice getting a brand new setup. But so this right here bolts up like this. So that is how you get, imagine that's bolted, but that's how you get the really nice crisp tone. And I'm sure, as you know, because you're looking at this video, that you can change your tone settings from adding gaskets or taking away the gasket. They have 3 steps, your quietest to your loudest. So got the very nice logo on the side. Really clean looking exhaust. Another reason why I went with this, it just has like a very nice mature look. So I think it's gonna look really good on the car. I really do. I'm excited to get started. All right, as I go under here, make sure you have a jack stand on each side like usual. We're gonna take off these 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, first we'll take off this bar here. She's clean under here, my guys. And then we got to deal with this pain in the butt heavy OEM exhaust. So yeah, if you haven't done an exhaust, the OEM one's heavy AF, and it's kind of hard to get off of these. I have a WD-40, and I got some good these right here. Focus. Those bad boys, they get pretty big, no homo, and typically I can grab the hanger and slide it off. So you got your middle hanger, those bolts, this bar, and the hangers on the stock exhaust, and this sucker will drop down, and then it's much easier putting on like an aftermarket exhaust. All right, got the stock one off. Put my fingers on there. Big old pain in the butt. But so here's how that works. If you do this one right here, that is your loudest setting. The quietest setting is you just do the one gasket in between. So right here, that's your quietest setting. This is your mid-range setting. So it's a little bit more restrictive. Sorry, a little bit more restrictive than that. It's pretty obvious there. And then of course, your louder option, which, I mean, what a really cool idea. What are you doing, Elsa? Say hi. Little Elsa Cam. The neighborhood cat. The neighborhood key. Yeah. It's coming to help. Just went to the zone. Auto zone. So I realized that in the instructions it says, so right here in that picture, there's 2 gaskets, and then you got your block off plate. So I went through everything multiple times to make sure I wasn't missing anything, and I only had 2 of those, and I was like, well, shit, dude. So I messaged Will and I just let him know, and he goes, honestly, you're actually just perfectly fine running the one, which I'll probably do. I went and got one just in case, so if I notice anything or like any sort of air leakage, I'll put one on. But what are you doing, Elsa? The neighborhood cat. The neighborhood cat. Sweet girl. Hi. Phone. Just bumped the phone. What are you doing? Yeah. What? You're so sweet. So sweet. Alright, it is currently on. Let's see if I can block that light. Not really. Anyways. There we go. Alright, so today's the next day. I got everything done. I still haven't started the car yet. Hello, you. She came to say hi. You almost sounded like you said hello. Here it is. It looks good. Let's do a cold start. See how it sounds. Up to temp. Very clean sound. This is with the, what do you call it? This is with the block off. Wow, my windshield is dirty. I haven't driven this thing in a little while.